everyone! XVX and CoolKiller collaborated to make this new keyboard, the CK75 SE. XVX actually made my first ever jelly keycaps many years ago, and with this it now comes on a keyboard stock. But of course, before we get into any details on this keyboard, let's unbox it together first. So the case itself has the exact same finish as the keycaps to give it a completed jelly look. This keyboard does come in this pink or white, so if pink isn't really your color, then they do have the white option as well. After using these keycaps for many years, I do like how they feel when you type on them, plus they're easy to clean. If these ever feel a little bit grimy, all I do is wipe it down with a little bit of water and a paper towel. This keyboard is not QMK or VIA capable, but they do have their own program which you can remap keys and change the colors of the LEDs. But it is gasket mounted and it is all hidden inside the case. Here's a picture for reference. And all this does help with sound, so I wouldn't worry about modding this keyboard. These keycaps are not shine through, but I call them reverse shine through because the keycaps kind of light up from the sides. There are already some preset colors and patterns already built into this keyboard, but if you would like more, you'll need to use the program to change them. Alright, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, comment down below, or share it with your family and friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe because it does help the channel out a lot. Now the last thing left to do is this sound test.